Hey guys, what's up? Shocker124 here. I'm going to be showing you how to fix your Sony Vegas 11 not opening. Uh, the reason why this happens is because basically if you press the update button or you have your Sony Vegas set to automatic update, basically it replaces your patch files if you cracked it for free, and basically replaces all those files and makes new files, so your crack isn't on there and Sony Vegas would keep crashing. Uh, so basically I'm just going to show you how to fix that. All you have to do is go to this link, download it. It's pretty quick. Then after you get file, open it with WinRAR. If you don't have WinRAR, I have a link in the description, and all you have to do is extract to desktop and just wait for that. Okay, so after that's pretty much done, just want to close out of that. Now what you want to do is install Sony Vegas if you haven't already uninstalled it, because that would be the first thing that you would need to do first. I would recommend you use Revo Uninstaller Pro, because that pretty much deletes all the files pretty quickly, and just in case it creates a backup on your computer, just in case if you want to go back. So you just gotta go through all this, install, and wait for that to install. It's pretty fast sometimes. Most of the time, some people say if you keep moving your mouse, it goes faster, but I don't really think that works. Okay, so hit finish, and do not open up Sony Vegas yet. Most people just go right ahead and open it up and pretty much mess everything up. So the first thing you want to do is open up patch VSP. This basically replaces the Vegas patch that's already the newest patch, basically. So you just want to hit patch. It'll say patch info. Just go to exit. You don't really need the, well, actually you do need that. This you don't really need, but it's good to have this. So you're just gonna go to local disk, go down to Program Files and go down to Sony, which is right there, and just click on Vegas Pro 11 folder. Don't need to open it, just hit OK, and then you hit this plus button right here and crack me, and it should begin cracking. If you get an error, close out the program, open it, and run as an administrator, and pretty much redo all the steps. Okay, so basically everything else is done. All you need to do now is open up KeyGen and Vegas, which should open, as you can see right there. And all you need to do now is copy the serial number, or you can use Control-V. Let's close out that because that's pretty noisy. And here you go. Vegas should open. If it doesn't, then uninstall it again and try to redo the video again. All you have to basically do now is register it, which is simple. All you have to do is go to Options or Help by Vegas Pro now. Oh, I'm sorry. Enter your serial number, which is right above it. And this is where KeyGen comes in. Okay. Now, copy, paste. That's the link. KeyGen. Copy, paste, change this to T4, next, press return. And yes, restart Vegas Pro 11, finish, and there you go. Should restart Vegas. If it gives you an error, restart the patches and you should be good. And there you go, no trial. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you liked it. Subscribe,